Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about topic creating an agile culture in an organization. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management, software development and agile methodologies. So let's start, friend. So friend, first of all we have to understand that what is agile culture actually. Friend, agile culture means that the organization is flexible to changes. They basically respond to changes positively. They accept that the customer collaboration is more important. They basically divide the work into multiple chunks. So basically agile is not only just a simply a culture, is basically a mindset and approach for towards the project management, towards the software development especially as well. So Agile is a set of principles and practices originally designed for software development but has since been widely adopted in various industries for managing projects and workflows as well. So whenever we are working for projects, so we have mainly two approaches. One is the traditional approach, which is a waterfall approach, in which we basically complete the project as a whole, like planning, development, testing and then deployment. And on the other hand, we have another approach which is called as agile based approach, in which we divide the work into multiple chunks, and with each chunks we plan, develop, test and then deploy, and with each chunk we deliver the work to the customer. So basically agile is a mindset in an organization, and this mindset is very necessary for the implementation of a project. So first of all we have to understand the agile principles. Friend, first principle is that the individuals and interactions over processes and tools. That means the people or persons are more important than the processes and tools. Like whatever we are working for people. Like for example, we are working for customer, we are working for business actually. So the processes and tools are basically the supporting. They are not more important than individuals or persons. Then next one is that the working solution is more important than the comprehensive documentation. Friend, honestly I'm telling you that whenever we are working for projects, so the main focus is on the documentation means that focus on the scope document, functional specification document, project plans, etc. So many things are there. But however, if we talk about with respect to the customer, he has interest in the working software. He want that he has a product which is working properly, functioning properly. So the working software is more important. Then customer collaboration is more important than contract negotiations. Again, friend, whenever we are working for projects, so main focus is on the contract agreements and like purchase orders, etc. However, the main focus is not on the customer collaboration, like meeting with customers, sitting with them, talking with them, trying to understand his pain points. Then responding to change over following a plan means be adaptable to changes and continuously improve. Basically friend, when we initiate a project, so things are not so much clear. With the passage of time, the things are getting clear and more visibility we are getting. So in that way, so whenever the changes are coming, so we should have to be more adaptable and respondable to the changes. Then next is the leadership commitment. Friend, to create an agile culture in organization, it is very important that the senior management or the leadership is basically committed to the agile culture. In many organizations, it's true that the senior management is not basically, you can say they have some fear, they have some concerns that, for example, if agile culture will come in our organization, obviously there may be some concerns about themselves as well. So many times it happens that leadership is not committed about the agile culture. So their concerns, their fear should have to be removed regarding the agile culture. Then cross-functional teams, that means you should form the small and cross-functional teams, like with their diverse skills, for example software developers, software designers, the testers, the production deployment team, etc., with diverse skills required to deliver a complete product increment. Product increment is basically the thing which you get after the completion of the sprint. Actually, sprint is a 3 to 4 week time period, so it encourages collaboration and open communication within and between the teams as well. Empowerment, here friend, remember that the agile is basically have a great principle that the team should have to be empowered. Like, there is no concept of the boss here in the agile culture. The team is basically making decisions, and they have empowerment to take decisions. They are they basically have innovation, they take risk, and this is the culture of agile actually. Then iterative and incremental development, basically in that way we divide the project into multiple chunks, multiple in manageable increments are there, that is called as iteration and sprint, in which we plan, develop, test and deploy and deliver a potentially shippable product increment at the end of each iteration. Then continuous feedback means that we are getting the feedback during the sprint review, sprint retrospective and daily stand-up meetings, and try to improve ourselves. This is very important, that whatever the feedback we are getting from customer, from product owner, from a scrum master, we are trying to improve ourselves. Then customer collaboration means always try to collaborate with the customer, try to get his feedback, try to use feedback to adjust priorities and improve the product. So again, the collaboration is with the customer is very important in the agile. Adaptability means that whatever the feedback you are getting from the customer, from the product owner, or the market conditions, so try to change your approach and respond quickly to customer feedback and changing market conditions. Transparency means that foster a culture of openness and transparency in communication. Use tools like agile boards and information radiators to make progress visible to all team members. Continuous improvement means that continuously everyone is learning and regularly inspect and adopt processes through retrospective and feedback mechanisms. Training and development means that whatever the trainings are required, for example software trainings are required or project management trainings are required, so always arrange those training for the team members. Celebrate success whenever the project is completed or you have achieved a major milestone, so it should have to be properly celebrated. Eliminate silos means break down organizational silos that hinder collaboration, encourage cross functional collaboration and communication among the team members.